Where is my Jasper boy? I need more from you. I need more from you. That was what I'm looking for. That's what I'm talking about. Need a little guffaw. Okay, that's better. That's better. I like what we're getting. Oh, Jasper. Oh, Jasper. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, my. Oh, my goodness. What's that? Oh, my. You okay, buddy? You okay, buddy? Wow, that was something scary, wasn't it? You okay? Yeah, you okay? Yeah, that was scary. Yeah. You turned red and everything. Oh! What are you doing? What are you coughing on? Oh! Oh, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Grandpa don't like that. You okay? Don't make me do the Heineken on you. Yes. Yes, son. Now I'm just getting coughs. Look, now I'm getting his coughs. Where's my little boy? Where's my little boy? Oh, my goodness. What is going on, huh? You know what's happening there? Your eyes are getting watery. Are you choking on something? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Whoa!